and go!
Resort in Homosassa. We came, it's probably because it's a small screen. We're going to say that again. We came here for the week after Christmas to New Year's. We have Scott and Jan with us for a little bit. So we've been here a couple days, taking it easy at the park, going swimming, things like that. We tried to rent a boat today. We've rented pontoon boats there in the past, but apparently they were already booked. Just more and more see the effects of how many more people go camping. So we're heading to the beach in Crystal River, get some seafood on the way back, and have plans for the state park this week, kayaking, hopefully see some manatees. So we'll see you later. Ice cream pit stop before the beach.
On your mark, get set, go.
Go!
Oh, look at Old Man Winter.
I don't think I've ever seen him run before. And they're gone. He's done for the day now.
Look at you teenagers. You came in second out of 4, honey. Good job.
Here comes third place.
Take his recovery one.
I came in first.
Done?
I'll
Died?
challenge you. Not sure. Oh, not running.
Oh man,
I don't
died,
want
but I got second place.
Here comes Clayton.
Bring it up to
Solid fourth. Not sure what Dawson's doing. The weirdest child. Look at that pup taking a swim. Isn't he the cutest? So we're almost to the end, back to the state park. We saw 2 manatee noses on the way. Couldn't get up close yet. Hopefully we'll see some down here by the spring head. These might be more right in front of us. There's more in front of us. Go that way. Just don't dip your paddle too low. You don't want to hit them and scare them. Let's barely glide the top. There's one right there, right there, right there. Oh, gosh, there's two. Scare them all away. Daddy's missing it all because those two that swam right under us, though, that was awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is, straight ahead.
Oh yeah.
He's in front of their dock.
It's like they tease us.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, literally right underneath me.
Yeah, they are.
Here they come.
Towards us, or
Literally right underneath us.
are they coming towards? Which way are they going?
Straight in front of us.
They're going straight.
Straight in front of us. Yeah.
Can't go get to them.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, there, look right for you, baby. See the bubbles? They're right in front of us. Follow those bubbles. Huh?
Make sure that you guys have enough room to turn because of
You guys see
those.
the bubbles?
Yep. This way, probably. Oh, there he is.
Oh, that's good.
There they are.
Did the GoPro get it?
The GoPro's filming, yep. Alright, where'd they go?
Based on that circle, they're right there.
Oh, they might be turning around. So we just wrapped up kayaking. So basically from the campground you take Halls River that way. And I guess maybe that's Homosassa River that you take it to. And Homosassa Springs State Park is at the end. That's my best bet. We're not boaters, so I'm not super familiar with waterways, but I do know that this is Halls River that the campground is on. We saw, I would say probably a dozen manatees, so not too bad. And getting back before sunset. So gonna head to the camper, air out the kayaks, make some dinner. So last weekend we camped at Lazy Days, which is, of course, always makes me want a new camper. We didn't film any video there. But so this week we're accomplishing some projects, so then I'll like my camper again. So we did install digital lock, keyless entry, because to be honest, we've always left our camper unlocked, so it's probably best. And then we just ripped out the carpet that overhung the slide because it was so disgusting from having a dog. And the floors went all the way up to the slide, so felt unnecessary. That carpet's out too. So weekend project next weekend, probably get some laminate or peel and stick to go in here instead and get rid of the carpet completely. And we really need a new couch eventually. We were invited out with some friends on their boat in Crystal River. We got an early start and it was very foggy, and we were heading out into the Gulf for some deep sea fishing. However, as the morning progressed, the water just got more and more rough. So instead we checked some crab traps, went back to their house to fish from their dock, and then hit some of the springs in Crystal River instead. Still made for a great time. What? Oh, right here?
You'll see the, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that'll work. Right here? Yep.
He is kind of heavy. Don't fall backwards.
Dang it! You're gonna hold.
In there.
Just go. It's freezing. Just go. Go get it.
Right, the other side.
Come on.
Right, go, wait.
You got it, girl.
2, 1.
Is it good? Yeah. What we got? Hold up. Okay, let's all go.
No risk.
Was that about your 80th test over the
Wait,
top?
look at her.
Big old smooth.
I had
And I was testing a button. I was like,
We're at Homosassa Springs Wildlife State Park. So, just so you know, it's one of 3 state parks in Florida that do not allow dogs, so don't bring the dogs. Thankfully, we looked before we came, and we're in a huge line to get in. So, we bought tickets ahead of time, but it doesn't look like that matters. He's little.
Why does it say danger very venomous if they're not even in the room?
I don't know. I guess just teaching you about them if you ever saw it in the wild. This king's egg is... Oh, that's not him. That was like a tunnel painted.
Oh yeah, it is. Where is it?
I don't know. He might be down in that plant. We'll have to see him when we go outside.
Yeah. I thought it was a coral sea. Storks are skinny.
Yeah, I don't think storks are that
Yeah,
squally.
look at the one in the water. I think those are storks.
They have big, like gill things like that, like pelicans.
I don't know.
Have you ever
That's how
seen
they
the
carry
storks?
the
move?
babies. There's gotta be a sign somewhere that tells you what these are.
Probably on the other side.
Oh, there's tons of them. Look at the weird growths on the beaks too. Yeah. Fast.
These are storks.
No, those aren't. That's not what those are.
I don't want my not
Oh, he only has one wing.
Oh, find a garbage can.
This one only has one wing.
look at the furry-headed one.
Hello, they're very friendly.
He's really cute.
Hey.
Oh, I feel it.
No, this is what you would see in the woods at our house.
Oh, that's cute.
That's about how big they get.
He wants us to pet.
They just scared. He just wants food.
He's hungry. Hungry bear.
Oh my gosh, you're good.
Yeah.
I believe that's fine.
Hi.
Steak.
Such a glare right here. I can't really see.